How to fix a problem of I can't like. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of I can't like anymore. So maybe this problem happened to you because you liking too many videos in a short time, and maybe TikTok kinda banned your account. All you need to do is go to your account. First thing you should know, you should stop liking a lot of videos in a short time. To resolve your problem, click on those three buttons up there. Click on Setting and Privacy. Now, scroll down and click on Report a Problem. Scroll down and click on Follow, Likes and Comments. Scroll down and click on Likes and click on Enable to Like. Now, TikTok will tell you to clear up video cache and restore the app and your device and make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok. Now go back, scroll down and click on free app space. Now clear cache. And this is it guys. This is how you fix this problem. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.